Have you ever wondered how you can earn money from Facebook? Facebook, with its billions of users worldwide, is not just a social networking site. It's a goldmine for entrepreneurs and businesses alike. It's a platform teeming with potential customers, making it crucial to have a presence on it. Having a Facebook page or group can significantly boost your business, helping you reach a wider audience. So, are you ready to tap into this potential? Stay tuned as we delve into the step-by-step guide on how to create your own business page or group on Facebook. Why do you need a Facebook page or group for your business? Let's find out. In today's digital world, having a Facebook page or group for your business is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. It's like having a dynamic and interactive business card that's available to over 2 billion people worldwide. That's quite a crowd, right? Firstly, it's about visibility. Having a Facebook page or group increases your business's online presence. It helps you reach out to a wider audience and makes your business more accessible to potential customers. Secondly, it's about engagement. Facebook allows you to interact with your customers on a personal level. You can respond to their queries, get their feedback, and understand their needs better. It's an excellent platform for building relationships and fostering customer loyalty. Lastly, it's about sales. You can use your Facebook page or group to showcase your products or services, make announcements, run promotions, and even facilitate purchases. It's a potent tool that can drive traffic to your website and increase your sales. The beauty of a Facebook page or group is that it's free and easy to use. You don't need to be a tech wizard to navigate it. Plus, it gives you valuable insights into your customers' behavior, which can be instrumental in shaping your business strategy. So it's clear that a Facebook page or group can be a game changer for your business. But how do you set one up? Setting up a Facebook page for your business is a simple process. The first step is to log into your Facebook account. Once you're in, look for the Create option in the menu bar. From the drop-down menu, select Page. Now, you're ready to start building your page. The first decision you'll make is choosing the right page type. There are two main types: business or brand, and community or public figure. If you're setting up a page for a business, the business or brand type is the way to go. This option is designed to help businesses establish their presence and engage with their customers on Facebook. Next, you'll need to provide detailed information about your business. This includes your business name, category, and contact information. Remember, the more information you provide, the easier it will be for potential customers to understand what your business does. Once you've filled in the information, you'll be prompted to add a profile picture and a cover photo. These images are the first things people see when they visit your page, so choose high-quality images that represent your business well. The profile picture should be a clear, recognizable image, often your business logo. The cover photo, on the other hand, is a larger banner image that can be used to showcase more about your business, like a new product, service, or event. After you've uploaded your images, you'll need to fill out the About section. This is your chance to tell the story of your business. What do you do? Why do you do it? How can you help your customers? Use this space to really sell your business to potential customers. Don't forget to set up your page's username. This is a unique identifier that makes it easy for people to find your page in search. It's best to keep it simple and closely related to your business name. Finally, consider adding a call to action button. This could be a Shop Now button or a Contact Us button, depending on what action you want your visitors to take. And voila! You now have a Facebook page ready to engage with your target audience and boost your business. Now let's dive into the process of creating a Facebook group for your business. First things first, you'll need to click on the Create button at the top of your Facebook homepage and then select Group. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your group. It's important to choose a name that reflects the essence of your business and is also easily discoverable by potential members. After naming your group, you'll need to add at least one person to the group. This could be a colleague, a business partner, or even a loyal customer who's excited about your brand. Remember, you can always add more members later. Now, on to the group type. Facebook offers 3 types: public, closed, and secret. If you want anyone to be able to see your group, choose public. If you'd prefer to have some control over who can join, select closed. And if you want your group to be completely private, choose secret. It's crucial to select the group type that best suits your business needs and objectives. The next step is setting up clear group rules. These rules help maintain a respectful and beneficial environment for all members. They could include guidelines about posting, commenting, and engaging with other members. Remember, a well-moderated group is a thriving group. Once your group is set up, it's time to get active. Post engaging content, start discussions, and encourage members to interact. The more active your group is, the more value it brings to your members, and the more likely they are to remain engaged. This active engagement can help create a strong sense of community around your business, promoting loyalty and advocacy among your customers. It's also worth noting that Facebook offers various tools to help manage and optimize your group, like insights about member activity, post scheduling, and member vetting options. Make sure to explore these tools and use them to your advantage. Congratulations! You've just set up a Facebook group that's ready to foster a community around your business. Now that you have your Facebook page or group, how do you earn money from it? This is the question that's probably on your mind, and rightly so. After all, the end game for most entrepreneurs is to turn a profit. So, let's delve into the various ways you can monetize your Facebook presence. Firstly, sponsored posts. This is when a company pays you to post about their product or service on your page or group. The key here is relevance. You want to partner with brands that align with your audience's interests. So if you run a fitness page, a post sponsored by a sports drink company would be a perfect fit. Next, consider affiliate marketing. With this strategy, you promote a product and earn a commission on any sales made through your referral link. Again, relevance is key. Promoting products that your audience will genuinely find useful will increase the likelihood of them making a purchase. Selling products or services directly is another viable option. If you have a product or service that you believe in, your Facebook page or group could be the perfect platform to reach potential customers. For example, if you're a fitness trainer, you could offer personalized workout plans or video coaching sessions. Lastly, hosting paid events can be a great way to monetize your page or group. These could be webinars, workshops, or even virtual meet and greets. The beauty of these events is that they not only generate income, but also foster a sense of community among your followers. Remember, monetization should never compromise the value you offer your audience. Keep their interests at heart, and the monetization strategies will naturally align with your content. With these monetization strategies, your Facebook page or group can become a steady stream of income for your business. So, don't wait. Start exploring these options today and watch as your Facebook presence becomes a powerful tool for your entrepreneurial journey. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned today. We've journeyed through the digital landscape of Facebook, exploring how this social media giant can be transformed into a money-making platform. It's not just about posting pictures or connecting with friends anymore. It's about leveraging this platform to elevate your business and generate income. Firstly, we touched on the importance of having a Facebook page or group for your business. This is not just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have. A Facebook page or group acts as a digital storefront, a virtual meeting place where you can engage with your customers, showcase your products or services, and build your brand's online presence. It's your direct line to a potential customer base of billions. Next, we delved into the nuts and bolts of setting up a Facebook page. From choosing the perfect name that resonates with your brand to selecting the right category, every detail matters. We also discussed the significance of a compelling description and a captivating cover photo. Remember, your page is a reflection of your brand, so make it count. Moving on, we navigated the process of creating a Facebook group. We highlighted the importance of having a clear purpose for your group, choosing the right privacy settings, and establishing group rules. A well-managed group can be a vibrant community that fosters customer loyalty and encourages engagement. Finally, we explored the exciting realm of monetizing your Facebook page or group. We discussed various avenues such as branded content, affiliate marketing, and Facebook's own monetization tools like instant articles and in-stream ads. The key here is to choose a strategy that aligns with your brand and audience. In conclusion, Facebook isn't just a social network, it's a powerful business tool. By understanding its potential and harnessing its capabilities, you can turn your Facebook page or group into a revenue-generating machine. So, are you ready to leverage Facebook to boost your business and earn money? The journey begins now.